China has set off alarm bells in the region by declaring its intent to protect an air zone that covers Korea's own defense zone and islands that are in dispute with Japan.
Beijing's move has prompted the Korean government to convey its stance of regret through a diplomatic channel. Our Kwon So-ah has the details.
China's demarcation of a new air defense zone is raising concerns in Seoul as it partly overlaps with Korea's own air defense identification zone, or the KADIZ. The new zone covers the Korean island of Yeodo, a submerged rock that lies between China and Korea that is claimed by Korea even though it is not included in the country's air defense zone. In an expression of concern about Beijing's weekend announcement, Seoul's defense ministry summoned Chinese defense attaché Xi Jinping to Korea on Monday. The ministry said it's deeply regrettable that China's identification zones overlap with Korean airspace over the Jeju and Yeodo Islands. Seoul also said that China's recent announcement will not affect Korea's jurisdiction over the waters surrounding Yeodo.
It's our military jurisdiction, our military action permission zone, and since the area stretches out to Korea's jurisdiction over Yeodo, our government won't give notice when flying our aircrafts in the area.
Beijing's declaration is yet another step to assert tighter Chinese control over the disputed island known as Diaoyu in China and Senkaku in Japan. China's government says it will take defensive emergency measures against any aircraft that does not identify itself properly in that area. This means aircraft flying in the zone without authorization could be intercepted by fighter jets. The U.S. says China's action is an attempt to change the status quo in the Pacific, while Japan called the move unacceptable and said it raises the potential for unfortunate incidents. Meanwhile, Korea and China plan to take up the issue during a bilateral vice-ministerial level defense strategy meeting set for Thursday in Seoul. Kwon So-ah, Arirang News.